you can always say damn to this car. It's nice. Nothing subscribe. No drip on today, but guess what we got? We got a manual IS300 steering wheel for my Lexus, and as you know, like the buttons, yeah, I don't need the buttons because obviously it's SC, so it's whatever. Welcome back to another video, guys. I hope you're all doing great. I'm doing wonderful, as I just bought a new steering wheel instead of fixing my dents, which is everybody is complaining about. But guess what? It's my car. I know, oh my god, but like, it's whatever, dude. I'll fix it soon. Just don't worry about it, because I got other things to do. And honestly, it's just, I'll see what I can do, because I'm trying to figure out if I can do it myself, which I probably won't. Otherwise, let's get to installing that steering wheel. And I'm gonna disconnect the battery because I don't want it blowing up in my face. I watched a YouTube tutorial a while ago, but I don't really remember it, so I'm just gonna kind of do it based on what I remember. The one thing I know is disconnect this, or else this shit's gonna explode in my face. You know, I'm gonna put it away so it doesn't like blow up in my face. So yeah, disconnect the negative terminal. Now we go here and here. And here, let me move this out of the way. Take out this little thingy back here. And then same thing on this side for the little bolts for this. And then, hold on. Yep, just double checking. You know, I don't want to die. And then let's get to removing the steering wheel right now. All right, let me just pop this out. Hold on, let me get one real quick. Oh, wrong way. Here. I'm kind of doing this all with one hand, so. All right, that's one right there. Yeah, I'm trying to like look at the camera while I'm doing this, so that's another one right there. Let's grab them. I want to make sure I don't drop them anywhere. There you go. And then next step is, oh, and I locked it. Actually, yeah, you're supposed to lock it. I just realized. So actually, I'm gonna turn the wheel a little bit straight because right now my wheels are straight. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they are straight. Oh, let's double check. Yeah, because my wheel is turned a little bit, so. Straight enough. I don't care. I'm gonna have it turned a little bit to the side anyways, because it does, like, I haven't gotten in alignment, so the car does drift a little bit to the right, so I'm gonna barely turn it to the right. But as of now we gotta take this part off right here. But yeah, it's a good thing I locked it so it won't move. But this should be those screws right there, I'm pretty sure. I'm telling you, I have no clue. I'm just raw dogging it, man. It's like a guess. Lucky guess. Bruh. Number 2. Oh no. Lucky guess number 2. Yes, sir. You know what my new name should be? Instead of Chris Fix, it should be Tony Fix. Alright, now I just gotta stick. Hold on, it's unloosened. Stick that in there. Oh, yeah, no more Tony Fix. I'm about to break it. Bro, holding this with one hand. Oh, I broke it loose. Okay, now I'm gonna break the top one loose. Oh, you know, it'd be nice if I had an extension. So I'm just gonna go grab that after my 10th trip back to this freaking toolbox, because I'm too lazy to drag it over there. These loosened. Now I gotta loosen these two right here, and then that should be it for loosening those. I did get my extension, so I'll be back when I'm pulling this out. I guess. Yeah, it has clips on it. Okay, I got scared. I don't want to break it because I'm trying to sell this. All right, there's one side. All right. Just got to play with it a little bit, so that is connected. Oh, okay. Came out. Make sure I didn't break anything. Yeah, these little clips right here. I didn't break it. All right, now the airbag wire thingy. I do not have mine yet. It's not here yet. Like, I have it on order though, but my airbag light is already on because that side got chewed up by the tire. But I have it on order. I'm gonna put the thingy on the screen, I'm gonna put the link down below for the thingy if you're trying to swap it out or whatever. But it's an adapter that connects to this piece, and then it connects to the IS300 wheel. So it connects to this connection from that connection. So yeah, I don't have it right now. I'm gonna be rolling with no airbag for only 2 days, so I'm not really worried about it because it's already on, so why not? So let's go ahead and take this out real quick. The Ching Chong letters, bro, or the Onitron letters. Now I just popped it out of this simply by just picking this little piece up, and then I don't know how this one comes out. I guess I'm just gonna stick my screwdriver in there. Fine. So you see these little clips right here? Yeah, they go into that little part right there. So I just clip that out, and I'm pretty sure, yep, that's it. Easy enough. Damn, this is heavy, this fat ass thing, bro. God damn. All right, yeah, let's set that aside. Popped out like so. It's literally just pushing down the bottom right here. And now that, let's take a guess. What do you guys think? I'm gonna go with 17. Or is it a 19? You know what, let's guess 19. Screw it. If it's 19, you gotta press that like button. If it's 19, guys, press the like button for 5 years of good luck. Oh my god, I got it right. Yeah, smash that like button. Smash it. Now, can I do this with... Oh my gosh, hold on, I need that extension. I don't know if you guys saw in the last video, but GT Tony hits the gym. So can you do this with one hand? No way. Oh. Okay. Well, it wasn't hard at all, so pretty sure it's just that. Take this fat ass bolt out, and I do not have a torque wrench, so. And otherwise, I think that's it. I think it's just smacking the sides, but let me go check YouTube real quick, and then I'll get back to you guys. I guess now we just kind of bang around it, you know, to get it off. Yeah, it's gonna take some dedication, man. Unless if you have a steering wheel puller, then it should be easy. Otherwise, if you're dumb like me and you're doing it so last second, set up the camera in a little bit, but I saw that if you pull it hard enough, leave the nut on there so it won't hit you in the face. So yeah, it should be good. And let me see how I can set up this steering wheel with all this stuff in the way. I can't figure out a way to set up my phone, I swear. So yeah, just bang on the sides, pull really hard until it wiggles out. Just make sure you have the nut so it won't hit you in the face. But I'll get back to you once I get it loose. 20 seconds later, I just pulled from the back and the bottom. I was just wiggling like up and down, and I got it off. So let's get this nut back. But yeah, I was really on there. And that's the old steering wheel. It wasn't bad condition. Honestly, it's in great condition for a 30-year-old car. But yeah, I'm gonna place this over here. That is up for sale. I already got someone that wants it. So, and then now we go on with you. Here, let me just try to like put it in. Like, yeah, just get in. Yeah, I'm trying to do like more of the build process because that's what people say they like saying, but I can't get this in. So pull these from that steering wheel. So whoever, the homie that buys it from me, I'm sorry, but you're probably gonna have to use your own bolts because I think he's doing a swap. So this should go on like so, and let me tap it in. I went ahead and did it. I'm pretty sure you can see my wheels a little bit tilted, so it's as straight as I can. Straight as I can go. Now I'm gonna see if I can just push this in real quick. Push it, like put the nut in and then tighten it. But this should go in like so. Fits perfectly for this cruise control. These buttons are a lot nicer, by the way. And I should have low-key cleaned it before. And so let me go get a rag real quick. Like these little edges right here and stuff because I don't want them to look dusty after. But now the bolt goes on, and I do not know the torque spec. So I'm just gonna torque it down or tighten it down until I think we're good. It wasn't that crazy to take off, but I'm gonna tighten it quite a bit. Not a crazy amount, obviously. Just down, and then I'm gonna grab the handle, tighten it a little tight, but not crazy tight. Just kind of hand tighten it. I didn't like nudge at it or anything. I just went basically until I could tighten it like normally, no nudging or whatever. An issue, so when I put this in, like these little things, a little like divot in this, it pops out because these aren't long enough. So yes, I don't have the OEM nuts or anything, but I might just get a longer one and see where that goes. I think it'll work. If it doesn't, then we'll figure out a way. But as of now, I'm gonna go to Ace Hardware real quick. But looks like everything works. The wheel looks great, and I'll be right back. Trip to Ace Hardware later. Got these. I'm just gonna throw these on. I just don't want it to come off in the middle while I'm driving. So I guess you get your bolts back, or nuts, whatever the hell it is. Whoever's buying that wheel. That's the final look. Check it out. Like, damn. It looks so much better and it feels so much better. I just gotta find out with the bolts because yeah, this is gonna shake, but it's not really an issue. So I'm gonna plug the battery in, test everything out, and I'll show you guys in just a second. So yeah, it looks great. It's gonna throw the airbag light, so but yeah, fits well. I guess it drives straight now. I'm not like gay, but we're gonna teleport to test drive. This is what it looks like. I think my wheel's actually straight. So hold on. There you go. Yeah, seems right? I mean, it does turn to the right a little bit. Honestly, I don't know. But it feels great. It feels a lot better, to be honest. So much better. It feels more sportier. So look, horn works. Cruise control doesn't work. Damn it.
I don't think it's because you have the thing in.
Oh yeah, it might be because the airbag's not plugged in, but drive straight with the wheel straight for once. As you know, my car never does that. And here, there's a turn coming up and we're gonna go exactly the speed limit. And we're gonna see how it feels. Oh yeah, I can grip the wheel so much better now. Yeah, that feels a lot better. That's probably gonna be it for today. You know, I was just showing you a little test drive, but look how much better it looks. It just looks overall better. It looks better. I'm gonna say it 10,000 times because it looks better, and it looks better, and it looks better. But otherwise, make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Yes, I'm gonna fix the dents later, so stop complaining about it for damn sake, but like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.